Green Oaks is Knox College's field research center. So we have 3 prairie units and we burn 1 a year. And we do it in order to maintain the ecosystem, to maintain the grassland. Grasslands are fire-dependent ecosystems. They actually need to be burned in order to maintain their health. And so we're doing it really as a way of promoting and maintaining healthy prairies out at Green Oaks. So in order to prepare for the fires, I depend on students to be my fire crew. I think the preservation process is important for a couple of reasons. Prairies are one of the most endangered ecosystems in North America, and prairies have many species of plants that are unique and important. They support animal species that are unique and important. And it's also, I think, important as a part of our heritage to have a reminder of what was here. 5,000 or 6,000 years ago, as forests began to sort of re-expand across North America, native people were here, and native people used fire all the time for a lot of reasons. And so in some ways we are continuing this practice begun by native people to maintain that grassland. And I kind of like that connection as well. Both an ecological process and a cultural process, I think.